Good, good afternoon, guys. Welcome to today's session. As you're continuing with working on our ideas and sharing the far that we've reached, I hope you are doing well. I hope wherever you are, you're doing well. And we as a team, we are really looking forward to seeing your progress. So as you guys are joining the group and are joining the meeting and you're able to work on your projects and be active, we have some good news. So if you are an active participant, the way you guys have been always following the program, we we will slot for you some budget for your internet, something small, so that you can be able to continue working seamlessly on your projects and refine it to even work better. So that's some great news on our end, and we really look forward to sharing more as we go along on that. So thank you for joining, and we would just like you to continue sharing your projects. So as we said before, we are expected to complete our projects by July 3rd. By July 3rd, we should be done so that we move to the next phase. And that phase is of us learning from the 21st skills and acquiring these skills in artificial intelligence, uh, software development, and also artificial intelligence, software development, and which one was the other one? I'll check that and let you know. So these are the areas, these areas you'll be able to acquire these skills, and the 21st Skills platform is for free, and we will make sure that we highlight more on how you're going to learn in this platform. So if you complete the projects, or if not the projects, if you complete the courses well, you'll be able to get a certification of that specific course in that specific field that you'll have been working on. So thank you guys for joining. Faith and Nuru, karibu to the meeting. And we are kindly requesting that you feel free to share with us the far that you've reached and even how we can chip in and assist. So in the other groups, before you start sharing, as you're preparing now to share, in the other groups, what we've been doing is most members have been sharing the far that they've reached, and some who have encountered problems, for example, they have no idea of how best they can continue. They told us as facilitators that we were able to chip in and even create extra sessions for them, and they're able to continue working on their projects seamlessly. So we are echoing the same to you guys. In case you're encountering any trouble, in case you are stuck, you've reached somewhere but you don't know how to progress, feel free to just chip us in. Let us know. You can DM you can DM Miss Ruth, our director, or our deputy, Miss Aisha. You can just reach out to them in case there is a problem with your code, or you want more sessions, or you don't know how to progress. So I want to welcome you guys, Faith, Mary, and Nuru, to just share the far that you've reached in your idea, and what is remaining and how we can chip in. So maybe we can start with you, Nuru. Hi, Nuru. You can even type in the chat in case you're not able to speak. Oh, that's awesome. Wow, wow, this is awesome, Noru. This is awesome. So, so what pages are remaining in your project? Oh, thank you for answering that. I can see you're saying you're left with the design, contact, and location page. That is great. That is really awesome. Now, is it possible we have a pic of the screenshots or anything? Can you organize it for us? We are super excited. We would love to see that. It would be an honor, even if it's not complete. Of course, we're not looking for perfection. We're not looking for, I mean, a project in a specific way. We're just there to guide and help and rejoice with you, with your progress. So maybe you can feel free. Is it possible we get a sneak peek of your screenshots or anything of that sort, even if it's just your design?
I'm using the phone. I don't know if it would be possible to share.
Yes, it is possible. Yes, it's possible for you to share.
Okay, let me try.
Fantastic, Noro. Oh, wow. Wow.
Wow. Here's the home page.
This is really beautiful.
Really beautiful. So this is the about page. It says that Farnas Tailoring Center is a home-based business with an experienced dress designer in charge of equipping girls and ladies with tailoring skills. She's a lady who has been making uniforms, dresses, curtains, and stylish mosquito nets for many years. She has also taught a number of students how to sew clothes. Then the mission: to equip young girls and ladies with the necessary skills to make their own clothes and to create job opportunities to the unemployed. They will be self-employed by mending people's clothes and hence earn a living.
This is really great.
This is really great.
Wow, that's a great job, Noro. I am proud of your progress. And okay, I do a BS, but we have experts here. We have our director, Ruth, and Miss Aisha, who is our deputy. Feel free to chip in and advise best.
Oh, wow, absolutely. I'm very impressed with what Nuru has done. So I think moving forward, Nuru, we've planned to buy like a domain for the entire project. So it's going to be called Coders at American Spaces Kenya project. And then we are going to assist you host your projects online. So you're going to have like a subdomain. It could be Nuru or best, or if it's a group project. And then we're also going to have a session probably this week on Saturday. We can have a session with you. I've seen also Mr. Patrick, who's also unable to join because of power issue, so that we can start with you, so that you are able to move whatever you are doing to online. And then apart from that, you can be able to have like the same information. You can use premium theme so that it will look better and nice. So far what you've done, it's absolutely remarkable. So what we'll do on the next stage is doing it online. So maybe to check on your availability, are you available this week on Saturday, the same time? The
Yes,
same
I'll be
time.
available.
Oh, great. So we can do a session, me, you, and Mr. Patrick, and also Madam John and Aisha will also they can join so that at least you're able to learn how to move these. Have you ever worked on like a domain online, buying it, hosting it?
Not yet.
Yeah, so it will also be a good opportunity for you to learn. So that's fantastic. We can have a date on that. Then we can also learn how to do these premium themes, how we can edit them to fit what we want. Great job.
Oh, fantastic. Great work. Great work. And Ms. Aisha is also saying great work. That's awesome. Now to Faith. Faith, how are you today? You can feel free to just let us know how your progress, how far you've reached. In case you're in an area in which you cannot speak or you are unable to speak, you can even type in the comments. How are you today? How far have you progressed with your project? Hi, Faith, are you there? Okay, so as you're waiting for Faith, maybe let's go to you, Jacob. So how are you today, Jacob? Karibu to the meeting. How far have you and your group reached in terms of your farming project? And I really saw your designs. They were so classic. They were so nice. The choice of your fonts. Uh-huh. Yeah, the choice of your fonts, Jacob, it was just awesome. Even the idea of you having a to give the people from the villages and your rural areas information, farming information, to increase the food supply in your area. I think that's a remarkable mission. So maybe you can slot us in how far you've reached, how is your group, and how far you've reached. Karibu, Jacob. You can feel free to type in the comments if you can speak. If you can't speak, but if you can, you just feel free to slot us in.
Hello everyone.
Hey Jacob, karibu.
Thanks. I'm actually struggling with poor internet connection, so I'm not sure if I will finish showing you what I've done, but I hope it doesn't disconnect again.
Sorry about that. We understand. Thank you for joining in despite the issues.
Okay. Actually, I'll share some photos on the comment section.
Oh, perfect.
Because I don't have my laptop with me right now, so to share my screen maybe I could show you the progress. So I'll share only the screenshots of some of the pages.
Oh, that sounds fantastic. As I can see, the files are coming. Wow. I'll then share with the team, and then so they can be able to see. So save. So capture 12, capture 22. Let me make sure I've gotten everything, but just keep them coming.
So those are some of the few screenshots that I have.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm trying to create actually most of I'm creating something like a document.
Mm-hmm.
Most of them like a table of content.
Mm-hmm.
So whoever is going online can access the materials, read them online or download them as a PDF to read later.
Mm-hmm.
So they're ranging from the topics, some of them from the advantages, the advantages. For example, let's talk of poultry. I have two classes: there's layers, broilers,
Mm-hmm.
and then the conditions or the climatic conditions where they they can be reared and they produce more.
Mm-hmm.
The advantages, and then how you take care of them, sheltering, feeding, everything. So I'm trying to provide the materials.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is
So
the first.
that's a screenshot, a part of the Nubian goat.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a picture. So I shared the. Okay. So this the Nubian goat. It has some other details I left outside.
No worries.
From the top, I don't think I shared it, but there. Yeah. This one, goat feeding. There's a pasture. So pasture, hay, and others, minerals, water.
Okay.
That's it. So this the table of contents is clickable. Once you select the pasture, it opens details information about how you feed it, pasture advantages and benefits of using pasture. Then you go to hay, everything. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Then to the next. Oh, these are the table also.
And those are the type of contents. That's for poultry farming. Yeah.
Oh, great. This is awesome. This is remarkable. So which technology are you using to create this?
Actually, I've created the front end using HTML and CSS. So I'm trying to find a backend that I can use to read the documents directly without having to type them in the HTML documents. So you see, this one is inside the HTML document. I've created it there.
Okay, that's a really wonderful progress. And feel free to chip in, Miss Ruth and Miss Aisha. And I think the backend I would highly recommend is also the session that Miss Ruth and Aisha they're proposing, right?
Yeah. Yes, that's true. I was also thinking, Jacob, using WordPress could really save you a lot of time. And since we are having like this session on Saturday at 3 p.m., it will be great if you're able to join so that you can even learn, because I'm going to share premium themes that you can have access to.
Okay.
Yeah, and with that, it will really help you like prototype your work very fast. Yeah, so on Saturday, I'm organizing a meeting the same time, 3 p.m. It could be 3 p.m. to 4:30. So you'll be you, Nuru, and Mr. Patrick, so that at least we'll buy for you a domain. It will be yours, and then we're going to create subdomains for all of you. And then it could be like a permanent project. Anytime someone wants to see your work, you give them a direct link.
Okay.
Yeah, but so far, great work. We are very proud of your progress.
Okay, thank you.
All right, welcome. See you on Saturday. We'll remind you, or maybe alternatively, you could DM me. You could send me a private message on WhatsApp.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
All right, welcome.
Thank you for that, Miss Ruth. Yeah, and I really highly recommend you try it, and I really look forward to how your project will be coming up together, Jacob. Awesome. Now we are to you, Mary. Mary, are you there? You can feel free to unmute and speak, or you can just type in the chat if you're not available to speak. Oh, hello, Mary. It's awesome to hear from you. So maybe you can slot us in how far you've reached with your progress and in terms of how your coding is coming along together. And you never know, as you can see, people have shared their ideas here, and Miss Ruth was able to offer a session and offer free premium, or not free premium themes, but premium themes for you to access for free to create your projects. So just feel free to let us know where you are in terms of your project. Maybe if you're encountering challenges and you're stuck somewhere and we don't know, we are here to help. So you're saying you're unable to share your screen, you're heading home 30 minutes away, you don't have your laptop. That's totally fine, Mary. It's totally fine. So maybe you can just let us know in the chat, or yeah, in the chat, maybe how far you've reached, how many pages you've created, and are you also willing to join the session on Saturday at 3 p.m. so that you can refine your work and even create your project faster? Let me know. Let us know. We understand your situation. I know you might be on transit and stuff like that. Oh, great. So you're saying you've worked on home, about, and contact. Okay. Oh, feel free, Miss Ruth, to speak in case you have anything to say.
Yeah, I just wanted, but I've just seen Jacob left.
Okay.
I don't have his number. I'm not sure I'll be able to reach him on Saturday, but we'll figure out how we can be able to send him the link, because I've been able to connect with Nuru, Mr. Patrick, and him for the Saturday session.
Okay. Sawa sawa. So oh, great. I can be able to look for Jacob in the group for you so that I can share the contact with you. Oh, great. So you're saying you're working, you've worked on homepage, about, and contact page. You're working on smart job project similar to Ajira. That's awesome, Mary. And where do you plan to get your the people who are offering these opportunities? Is it something that do you have some sort of client base already so that people can join? This is great progress. This is great progress, actually. You've been able to make the homepage, about, and contact. That is amazing. That's okay. That's okay. Don't worry. We still have some time for you to create the projects. So there's no, let me say that you're still making a great progress with how far you've reached. So which technology are you using to create the project? Are you using a HTML, CSS, or are you using WordPress? Okay. That's okay. So I think your project is great. And the challenge is the challenge is you'll be in competition with a JIRA program. So my question to you will be, what will make yours unique? Or are you targeting these jobs, like, for example, someone has, I mean, these jobs like, let's say, mowing and things like that, or giving people some gigs and tasks, or online projects like the way Ajira is. So is it exactly like Ajira, or is it people getting gigs around the areas that they are? This is fantastic. Oh, great. So yeah, so HTML and CSS, of course, you would need some sort of backend as well. I don't know why I keep on recommending people to your session, Miss Ruth.
It's very, very okay. Absolutely. That will really help. She can also join.
Awesome. Well, can see people can be able to access jobs near them, and also students can get internships. Okay. So, so for the backend, of course, with WordPress runs on a powerful backend called PHP. Feel free to join the session on Saturday, Mary. I will do my best to also remind the four of you, that is Mary, Nuru, and Mr. Patrick and Jacob, so that you can be able to join these sessions. And when you acquire these skills, you'll be able to even create and have a portfolio. You'll be able to share with the people the far that you've reached, and even think of launching. So thank you for making those huge efforts, Mary, for the far that you've reached, making sure that you've worked on the pages beforehand. So this is really great progress. Or maybe Miss Ruth, you can just go ahead and explain, because Jacob is back. You're talking about the session.
Oh, okay, Jacob. I was just talking about the session on Saturday that you can join beginning from 3. So you can reach out to me on WhatsApp so that when it's Friday, I can remind you, or Madam John can remind you.
Oh, perfect. So it's Jacob, Mary, Nuru, and Mr. Patrick. Okay. Oh, great. Do you guys, oh, Jacob, oh, nice. Thank you for that, Jacob. I think you'll be reminded, Miss Ruth, but feel free to also reach out to me as well. So any question to us? Any question, Jacob, Mary, or Nuru? If do you have any question with regards with your progress or with regards to the program? Okay. So any closing remarks from our facilitators?
For me, no. I wish the coders will be joining me tomorrow. On Saturday, we meet on Saturday and we will do most of the things. And all the best, and keep up the good work.
Awesome.
Hi, John. On my end, congratulations to everyone for presenting the project. This is really remarkable. It's a good progress. I wish you all the best, and I'm also looking forward to join Saturday and support you where I can. All the best.
Awesome. So from Mr. Brighton, it's keep up the good work. Thank you for that, Mr. Brighton. So I wish you all a nice evening. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for creating time, and have an awesome time. Oh, thank you to Nuru.